So today's video is regarding unboxing the Canon PIXMA TS3340 printer. So I'm going to how to do a quick setup and a copy test in the end. So let's start with the unboxing first. So now we switched on the printer and just wait for the display screen. 0 here. Now we are going to install the ink cartridges. Now this printer uses two kind of cartridges, and you can see this one is color, that is 244, and the black is 243. So now we remove these here. And remove this portion as well. So that's the front door. There is a hook here, so we just open like that. Now we can see here that's the ink cartridge places where we have to place the ink cartridge. So the color one goes to the color side, so just place it in and push it inwards, and then the black, just slide it in and just push it inwards and upwards. So don't apply a lot of force, just let it go easily. So once we install it, now we close this door. So now we have to open the tray to load the page. So we can do like this, and we can adjust the size of the page, and the size, the markings are there, so you can just slide. And now we insert the pages. Now you can check on the main screen. It says what kind of things you have inserted here, and now press OK. So after inserting the pages, we press OK. Now open the top lid, and I'm going to place this page here facing downwards. Close the lid, and we can choose if you want a color or a black, so both options are there. So I'm going to do a black. So press it once and you will see on the screen it says 1 as well. And that's the tray where the pages will come out. You can place it like that. So you can see it has done a quick copy as well, and it's perfect. And the thing is, it's quite fast. The printer is fast. It's just printed. Thanks for watching.